Alright guys, so for today's video, I'm doing something pretty exciting. Gonna be installing MHD tuner flasher. So my car does have MHD already installed onto it on stage 2 plus. The previous owner does own the license to it. So for me to make any changes to the tune, I do have to install the MHD app. And with this cable and an Android tablet, we will be able to monitor and change any settings and also clear code. Also, this can be done from an iOS device, but that does require the MHD flasher, which I do not have. So if you guys do want it on your iOS, that is another option. But I have this Android tablet and this cable, so it should be good enough. And I will have a link down below to all this equipment I'm using, so if you guys want, check it out. So now that we got the cable connected, we will need this adapter. It's a USB to micro USB, I believe. Next up, we will turn on the ignition and connect it into the tablet. And to check if it's connected, we will go to read DME codes. And there it is. Let's see if we can clear these. So there it is. It also clears codes super quick. All right, so to get into the good stuff, we will go up here into the menu and go down to my licenses. And here it'll read the VIN. Alright, so at this point we do have to go online and purchase the license. So I will do that now. Alright, so we got the MHD tuning website open. And in here we will go to shop. And we're just gonna scroll down to Flasher N55E. And in here they have all these options for purchase, but what we're looking for is this one here. It's the MHD Super license for N55E. Basically, it's the full package in one, so it includes the flasher module, the monitor module, and all the maps. So stage 1, stage 1 plus, stage 2, and so on. So we'll just hit buy it now. And here I will enter in my information, and I will be back once I've purchased it. Alright, so just like that, we've made the order. And now we're gonna click to get our license. And now all we're gonna do is enter that license key into the app and get rolling. Alright, so back in the MHD Flasher app, we will go to my licenses. Click activate key and enter our key in here. There we go, license key is successful. Should have the monitoring available. And we can change these. Nice. They have changed the design here, so it looks a lot cleaner and much more modern now compared to the old design. So that works great. All right, let's turn this off. And okay, so I've just connected the battery charger, and I'm currently checking if we're connected, and we are. And if we read here, it does say the version that we're currently on. I'm on version 1.53 stage 2 plus. So let's go to tune, and we're gonna select stage 2 plus 91 octane. Alright, and in here we'll go to options. We will enable Burbles. Let's see, and so this base here stands for when we just have it in drive, and the sport is when the shifter is moved into a sport. Duration to be 2 seconds, and then aggressiveness we'll set it to hard. Minimum RPMs, so set that to 1400. Maximum is fine. And then minimum speed, we'll set it to 0 miles per hour, so that way we should have standstill burbles when we're in parks. So let's have it like that. Cold start reduction, noise reduction, let's see that. And then startup roar. And that looks like about it. So let's hit back and hit right. Also, if this is your first time flashing, do not worry about the errors on dash. That happens every time we flash, so nothing to worry about. Alright, so looks like it was successful. Now we will turn off the ignition and wait 30 seconds and start it back up. Also check out that ride time. Super fast. Alright, so 30 seconds have went by. Let's start it up. Alright, so far seems to be running fine. It is running at lower RPMs, and I do believe that's due to the cold start noise reduction. Also, we did enable the standstill. Let's see. Well, that works. Let's get an outside sound of this. Alright, so you guys heard that. That sounds absolutely insane. Let's take it out to the road and see how it sounds. Alright, so first up I will try the Burbles and drive. Guys, those are so loud. I think once I stop I will adjust the bass, not the sport but the bass duration to just a bit longer. I feel like half a second. It only gets one pop through, so I think I will adjust to about a second maybe. Alright, so let's try sport now. As soon as I switch sport, alright, so I did make some changes in here. I made the duration for the bass 0.9 seconds so I could get a few more burbles in there, and also I did change the minimum RPM to 2000 so that I don't get burbles at cruising speed or anything under 2000. So that's my settings. So let's back out of here and ride it. And just like that, we are ready to go. Not bad. And now when we switch it into a sport, that's a good way to end this video. Also, I did get new wheels, if you guys noticed, as well as painted calipers. One with yellow. I think it looks so good on this color. And also, so when I turn, looks pretty sweet. Also, these wheels are the Niche Misano M117, I believe. They are squared in 17s. and I really like the look of these. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.